Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different than normal. I was going through some old photographs and I found some pictures of a 2012 Lola B12 that I did back in 2013. I decided to put them together and make a little video, so stay tuned. The B12 was built by Lola Race Cars, a British race car manufacturing company that opened their doors in 1958 and then closed them in 2012, which makes this one of the last cars that Lola ever built. Now everything about this car was built for speed, from the cantilever suspension to the large spinal fin that gave it stability at 200 miles an hour. And this car was definitely capable of those speeds with different power plants available, from Nissan and Honda HPD, also Lotus. This car had the Judd BMW M3 V8, which made plenty of power, because the B12 only weighed just over 2,000 pounds. This car raced in IMSA in the LMP2 class. LMP2 stands for Le Mans Prototype 2. It had top 10 finishes at Lime Rock Park, Mid-Ohio, and Road America. It also made appearances at Road Atlanta and Laguna Seca. I used to repair cars for Dempsey Racing when their race team was located in Georgia, and that's how this car ended up in my shop to paint black. This is definitely one of the coolest cars I've ever had the opportunity to work on.
The thing that impresses me most nowadays is how well the parents obey their children.
Alright, so that's going to be about it for this video. I told you it was going to be something a little bit different. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments section. Also, if you did like it, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, ring that bell notification. That way you'll know when the next video is coming out. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. See ya!